Ah! 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 Hey guys, it's Josh with No Dad, No Problem, featuring how-tos, interviews, and reviews you can use. I am coming to you from down in my basement. I just got back from 2 weeks in the beautiful state of Texas, and so my wife has been working out recently, right? And she doesn't know her own strength. So while I was gone, she was doing a bit of laundry, and with a mighty tug, she broke off the handle to the dryer. Not a big deal, real easy fix. So I'm just gonna kind of show you guys how I'm going to do it. And away we go. All right, guys, so like I said, I was gone away for business and the handle on my dryer broke off, which is something, we're still able to use the dryer. It functions. The handle has no impact on the functionality of it. It's just a major inconvenience. My wife and my children were having to put their fingers into the holes to pry open the door, which is not comfortable for them. So when I got back, I looked at it. I got the model number for the dryer itself. I started looking online. The original equipment manufacturer, the replacement handle, just for this flimsy piece of plastic, was about $40, and I'm not about paying that. So what I didn't know is that most of the major manufacturers, Kenmore, GE, Amana, they all use the same style of door, like the holes for the handles. So I was able to go onto Amazon, and I found myself a 2-pack for a little less than $6. And so I got those ordered in, 1-day prime delivery, and I just figured I'd show you guys how it's done. So let's cut back over to it. All right, so I've got my door open. I'm actually gonna open it a little bit, hold it from the back side while I'm applying the pressure so I don't end up pushing the dryer itself. But I've got these 2 holes at the top and bottom, and then these along the sides. My new piece has little hook marks in here, and they're a little bit angled. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna try to slide this in here first, kind of wedge it over, and then I'm gonna just put even pressure with my hand. I should feel it snap in. Let's give it a yank, find out. All right, so there we go, guys. A simple fix for something that occurs a lot more often than you actually might think it would. If you own the same dryer, probably every 4 to 5 years, you're gonna have to make a replacement like this. Again, it's really easy, simple to do. The trick is just knowing to line those side holes in first, hold the door in your hand, and apply pressure with the palm of your hand so that the other latches will click into place. If this video has helped you in any way, please consider leaving us a like. Your subscriptions help our channel grow. Ringing the bell will give you notifications when we upload new content. And as always, be well, be blessed, be loved, have a proper functioning dryer, and have the best day ever.